Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your messenger notification. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, what you need to do, click on top left three lines. Here you can see top left three lines. Click on these three lines. After that, here you can see option gear icon. Click on this gear icon. After that, scroll down and here you can see option notification and sounds. Click on this notification and sounds. Here you can see this notification is turned on. Click on this icon and disable this icon. Click on this and turn off this. Here click on 24 hours. You can select a time. If you don't need to select any time, click on again. Here first click on 24 hours. In this way you can turn off your messenger notification for 24 hours. You can also turn off for this lifetime. Go to your messenger. Here you can see this is my messenger app. Click on this messenger app and hold few seconds. After that, click on this app info. Here you can see, click on this app info and here you can see option notifications. Click on this and turn off this notification. In this way you can turn off messenger notification for lifetime. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.